List methods. A method is a function which is written for a specific object. To call a method, use dot after the object and write the name of the method. For example, in this code, list is the object of type list. Then you put dot. This is the method name, and parenthesis is always there with method. These are the different method applicable to list. Like list insert ix, it inserts an item at a given location. For example, if L be the list where the elements are 1, 2, 3, then you give the command L insert, then index position 0, 100. Now you can see index 0 is the first position, 100 is inserted in the first position. Then list append x, it adds an item to the end of the list. Here with the same list, if we give the command L append 500, 500 is added at the end of the list. List remove x, it removes the first item from the list where the value is x. So if we apply this thing in the earlier list, the output is 500 is removed. List pop and index, it removes the item at a given position and returns it. Like L pop, list pop, 0 index, the first item is 100, so it removes the item and returns it. List pop only without any argument, it removes the element at the end of the list. List extend sequence, it append the content of a sequence to the list. For example, this is the list, and then L extend we put another list within it, and then we can see the output is 5, 6, 7 is appended. List index x, it returns the index of the first item where the value is x. List count x, it returns the number of times the particular value appears in the list. List sort, it sorts the item in place in ascending order. If you want to make it in descending order, you have to write list sort reverse equal to true. List reverse, it reverses the element of the list in place. This sorted function, it returns the sorted list but does not change the list in place. The original list remains intact. Now let us move to Python practical session. We create a list. Elements are 1, 2, 3. And then we give the command list insert, that is the object name dot insert, and in index 0, that is first position, you want to insert the value of 100. Now if we look at the list now, the value 100 is inserted in the first position. If you want to add 500, for example, at the end of the list, we can give the command list object dot append and then 500, and we can look at the list now. 500 is added at the end of the list. To remove the item 500, we can give L remove and 500. Now we can look at the list once again. The value of the list is 500 is removed from the list. To remove an item at a particular index, like if you want to remove the first item, we can give L dot pop and index 0. It will remove the item and return the item. So it has removed the item and it has returned the item 100. We can look at the list now. It is 100 is removed. If we use only prop without this index, then it will remove the last item. Last item is removed. We can look at the list once again. We can give the list. The last item is removed. Now we can add another list at the end. So we can give list extend and then list having value of 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. And now look at the list. So you can see this list is added at the end of the first list. If you want to count how many times 7 appears in the list, we can use list object dot count and then value 2 times. It appears 7 appears 2 times. Now if you want to, this list is already sorted. No, it is not sorted. 7 is there 2 times. If you want to sort it, we can give L sort. Now it will sort the list in place. Now we can look at the list. It is sorted in order. And if you want to reverse sort it, here we can write sort reverse equal to true. And then we can look at the list. It is sorted in reverse order. Now to reverse this list, we can use L reverse so it will reverse the item in place. That means it is already in descending order. It will be in ascending order once again. So we can look at the list. So it is reversed. It is now in ascending order. If you want to sort any list and we don't want to make changes in the list, so we can use, like, first we can reverse this list once again, and this is in descending order, and we want to sort it in ascending order, but we don't want to change the original list. In that case, I am giving a name L and giving the command sorted L. No, there is spelling mistake. It will be single T. Now if we look at the L, original list is as it is, but the new list L, capital L, it is sorted in the ascending order.